Good morning, children. Today our topic is in ancient time. In this topic, we will talk about life in ancient times and we will talk about the history. Let's start with questions. First question is there. Silk was popular among the ancient Chinese. Rich people wore silk cloths, while poor people wore hemp or rami. Silk also introduced in China, but question is there, who introduced cotton to China? Cotton was introduced to China by Mongols. Paper money was introduced in China, but question is there, during the reign of which dynasty was paper money introduced in China? Answer will be Tang. Tang dynasty introduced paper money in China. Question number 3. Artists in ancient Egypt decorated the wall of tombs by recreating a drawing on a small tablet. By which method would they transfer the drawing onto the wall? Options are there: paint by number system, airbrush system, grid system. The correct answer is grid system. By the grid system, artists in ancient Egypt decorated the wall of tombs by recreating a drawing on a small tablet. Which method they used to transfer the drawing onto the wall? Answer will be grid system. Question number 4. A number of important inventions were made in early the medieval China. Which of the following was not invented in ancient China? Options are magnetic compass, gunpowder, spinning wheel. Correct answer is spinning wheel was not invented in China. The spinning wheel was invented in India. Question number 5. The Egyptians had a mother goddess who was also the goddess of nature and magic. Who was she? Options are there: Bastet, Isis, Iris. Correct answer is Isis. Isis was the mother goddess of Egyptians and she was also the goddess of nature and magic. Question number 6. Which of the following was a popular board game in ancient Egypt? Options are Senet, Pechisi, Monopoly. Correct answer is Senet. It was played by two people. Senet was the popular board game in ancient Egypt. Question number 7. Who were the first people to live in ancient Greece? Answer will be Minoans. Minoans were the first people to live in ancient Greece. There are few statements we will talk about, they are true or false. First, Alexandria was the capital of the old Egyptian kingdom under the pharaohs. It is false. Memphis was the capital. Memphis became the capital of ancient Egypt for over 8 consecutive dynasties during the Old Kingdom. Point number 2. The people who introduced democracy into ancient Greece were the Athenians. Yes, it is true. Athenians were the people who introduced democracy in ancient Greece. What do you mean by democracy? Democracy is a form of government that is elected by the people. All people have equal right to vote. Point number 3. In ancient Egypt, the scribes used to write down business documents in hieroglyphics. Yes, it is true. Hieroglyphics. What is hieroglyphics? The system of writing that was used in ancient Egypt in which small picture represents a word or sound. Point number 4. The city of Sparta was the city of 7 hills. It is wrong statement. The correct statement will be Rome was called the city of 7 hills. Rome is the capital of Italy. It was called the city of 7 hills. Tiberius was the first Roman emperor. It is false. The correct statement is Augustus was the first Roman emperor. Next point, Shang Ti was the first Chinese emperor. It is false. The correct statement is Shi Huangdi was the first Chinese emperor. The question is there, who was the first Chinese emperor? Right answer will be Shi Huangdi was the first Chinese emperor. Attila was the famous barbarian invader, was part of Hun clan. It is true. Last point is there, Cleopatra, one of the last active Egyptian pharaohs, was actually Greek. Yes, it is true. Cleopatra was the famous queen and she was very brave and intelligent.